Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a really special video from MCHOSE. This is the V9 Turbo headset. We have it on pink. I think it's a really nice color. It's more like a reddish pink. It's also powered by the M hub, which is this hub right here. It has RGB and all the bells and whistles. Uh, it's magnetic. It charges via induction, so you just pop the headset in there and it will charge the headset. That dock will charge basically the headset. 7.1 surround sound and RGB. It's an esports headset. Basically this is the box of it. All we have to do is just basically take this out and open it, but I'm gonna show you in a second what you get inside. So we have 3-mode connectivity, magnetic charging docks, 60mm neodymium drivers, 7.1 surround sound as I said, and the input is 5 volts 1 amp. So that's pretty much with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that I'm going to show you guys how to connect it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get, and as always we will start with the small stuff first. So we have a quick handy guide, as they call it, volume knob, mode, power, multifunction button, microphone button, Type-C port. I will show you guys in a second where everything goes. They also included some stickers if you want to stick them on your PC or on your console. This is basically a more in-depth guide, so I would suggest read both of these, give it a minute, read both of these. It will help you understand what this headset can do and how you can use it at its max potential. They have included 2 spare memory foam ear cups. They already come installed with some, but if you want to change them, you got 2 spare ones right here, same color as the headset. We have a USB Type A to USB Type-C cable, which will connect to the charging case. So basically you plug this into a wall charger and this Type-C into the dock, and whenever you want to charge the headset, basically you just pop it in just like so. Let me see if I can do it. There you go, and you'll start charging the headset. And the dock, just move this for a second. The dock has a USB Type-C port. This is used for charging, and it has a USB Type-A port. You can take this adapter right here, which is a USB Type-C, but it comes with a USB Type-A adapter in case you don't have enough USB Type-C ports available on your device, and you can plug it into your device for wireless, so that being your laptop or your PC. It also has this denim material on the sides right here, which I think it's pretty cool. RGB strip all around, MCHOSE branding. It's pretty nice. And now the headset, we have the microphone right here, which seems to be detachable, so you can detach it. We have a volume knob on the side. In terms of I/O, we have USB Type-C port used for charging the headset or use it in wire mode. We have the mute, mode and power buttons right here, and the other side doesn't have any buttons. It's pretty simple to use. All you have to do is just plug it in and it will be ready to go. So yeah, pretty much that's it with what's in the box. I'm gonna go ahead now and connect it to my PC, and I'll show you guys how everything works. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the headset looks like when it's fully set up. Basically, I plugged the dongle into my PC and I plugged the charger, the dock, into a hub that has a USB charging port, so basically we'll charge it all the time. You can also plug it into your PC, but I want to keep it on the edge of my desk, so I don't like too many wires in front of my keyboard and mouse, but that's entirely up to you. There's not much setup to do. Basically all you have to do is just plug in that dongle. It's already in my PC. After you plug it in, you just lift the headset. It will say power on.
Adapter mode.
And that's it. It's ready to go. If it still doesn't show up, you
Power
you will go to sound settings right here. And you make sure you select MCHOSE V9 Turbo from the list, and yeah, it's ready to go. It's literally not much setup to do. It was basically plug and play for me, but if you have many audio devices, you might have to do what I just showed you. But apart from that, the headset feels great. Very, very comfortable, very, very lightweight. The mic sounds absolutely amazing as well. When you're done playing, all you have to do is just pop them back in, and it works. It's literally super simple. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.